All right, got a helper here, and bringing out the 2-camera system. So here we go. We have a unique one here, right? So let's walk down. All right, let's walk down and show you. So we have 3 houses for sale as a package deal. So quite honestly, I got to look the last time this even happened in North Wilmington. But there's house number 1, and I have a detailed video of that. I just want you to get the lay of the land. Keep up here. We got house number 2 right there. This is why I normally work alone. And then house number 3 down there. And that's it. Not that it's, not a lot. It's a lot. So that house even has additional land back there. And that's a real, I think, selling feature, quite honestly. Because if you're able to put another house on that property, then it's even, that much more of a better deal. Sorry, I got my little one here. So there you go. So that's the 3rd house. And remember, we're situated on just over an acre. So there's a house. Here is a house. Stick with me. And then the yellow house on the end. And we're situated technically on a private drive. I'll get you more information right off of Naaman's Road. So we'll take you up and just spin around and show you how cool this is. And there you are. So what do you say, little one? Pretty cool?
Yeah. Come on, let's keep going for a while.
Okay, we're going to keep going for a walk. We're going to do some drone footage, right? Well, that's the game plan.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. Remember, 1 house, 2 house, and 3 house. So 3 houses, 1 deal. There you go. Any questions? Just feel free to reach.
Somebody wanted to go to Newcastle County and, try to appeal it, we're just not guaranteeing it at this point. So this is being sold as a package deal. And just in case you're not familiar with North Wilmington, I'm going to zoom up here on the camera of the drone. Immediate access to Naaman's Road, which is Route 92. You shoot right down 4 or 5 minutes, you're on I-95. You go 3-4 minutes the other direction, you're at 202, which is a main thoroughfare to head into Westchester, Pennsylvania, and also tons of shopping. So take that in. I'm going to spin around a little bit, and then I show you the 1 unit. Yes. So that one has a big yard that you can see, and a big yard to the left of it as well. And that one can almost be used as 2 units.
All right, we're gonna give this a whirl. We got a helper here. Never really did this. But this one's cool. So let's walk here and see if we can do this. So this, as it slowly falls down, is 3 houses in one. And it kind of works. What do you think? What do you think there, little one?
Baba, boo, boo,
Yeah, I don't know about that. But anyway, we're gonna rotate and try to bring you up here. And you know what? Maybe we can do it.
Why?
Here. Ah! There we go. So there's house number 1, right? As we walk down here, we got house number 2 and house number 3. And these are being sold as a package deal. So let's do this.